Hello friends, I am Deepshikha. Today's lecture is going to be about words which are excessively used in different competitive exams like SSC, bank, railways, CAT, MAT, etc. This lecture is going to be focused on the word phobia, which means excessive fear. My dear friends, let's give it a go. So the first word is aerophobia, which is the fear of aeroplanes. Since aeroplanes fly in the sky, therefore we can easily connect sky with air. Therefore, the fear of aeroplanes is known as aerophobia. Okay, the next word is zoophobia. Animals are kept in the zoo, so we can easily connect animals with zoo. Therefore, the fear of animals is known as zoophobia. The next word is apiophobia. Okay, so this is an interesting one. Bees. Bees always go and hunt for nectar. So nectar is found in fruits, and apple is a fruit. Therefore, apple apiophobia. We can easily remember bees apiophobia. The next word is hematophobia. This is also very interesting. Blood. Blood is made up of the pigment hemoglobin. So, heme can easily be connected with hemophobia. The next word is ornithophobia. Now, the study of birds is known as ornithology. Again, we can connect ornithology with ornithophobia. Therefore, the fear of birds is known as ornithophobia. I hope that's clear. The next word is allurophobia or catophobia. This is very interesting as well. Since cats can be trained to get different objects, therefore we can connect get with gatophobia. The only word now you need to remember is allurophobia. The next word is pedophobia. Okay, here also you need to remember that the study of children is known as pedology. So we can easily remember pedophobia connecting pedology. Therefore, the fear of children is known as pedophobia. So the next word is thermophobia. Thermophobia is the fear of heat. Whenever we get sick, we use a thermometer to measure the temperature of our bodies. So we can easily remember the fear of heat as thermophobia from the word thermometer. The next word is nasophobia. Okay, so whenever we get sick, we usually have or suffer from runny nose. So nose is the key word for remembering this one. So the fear of illness is nosophobia. The next word is astrophobia. So basically all of the stars, the moon are found when in the night sky. So we can easily remember the word astrology. So lightning, astrology. We can easily connect the two words and remember astrophobia, which is the fear of lightning. The next word is toxicophobia. Since the poison is toxic to our bodies, so poison, toxic, easily connected. The next word is hydrophobia. I suppose this is a very general terminology. We can easily remember water hydrophobia. The next word is hypnophobia. Whenever somebody hypnotizes us, we go into deep slumber or sleep. Therefore, sleep can be easily connected with hypnosis. So, hypnophobia. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is going to be instrumental in helping you out to clear the competitive exams. Do not forget to share it with your friends and give us your love and support so that we'll continue making such videos which will help you cope with the exam stress. Bye bye for now. Thank you.